Welcome to today's lesson. In today's lesson, we are going to be looking at number bases. So here I've got a table that is showing a base and the largest digit in that base. So you're going to see that when you're in base 10, the largest digit is 9. When you are in base 9, largest digit 8. Base 8, largest digit is 7. Base 7, largest digit is 6. Base 6, largest digit is 5, and so on until you get to base 2 with the largest digit being 1. So largest digit in a particular base cannot be equal to the base. So we are saying when you are in base 8, you cannot write 8 also. You cannot write 8 base 8. That's impossible. The largest digit that you can write in base 8 is 7. Largest digit you can write in base 10 is 9. And largest digit you can write in base 2 is 1. So always the largest digit in any particular base is always 1 less than the base. Is always 1 less than the base. Okay, let's move on. Like in these other numbers, we have 2978 base 10. You're going to see the largest digit. You're going to see that the largest digit here is 9. The largest digit is 9. And in this example, we've got base 9 and the largest digit is 8. And in base 8, the largest digit is 7. Okay. Let's look at this question here. It says, write the largest 4-digit number in base A, base 4. So in base 4, if we say the largest digit we can write in base 4 is 3, and it being a 4-digit number, it has to consist of 4 3s, like this, 4 3s in base 4. That's the largest 4-digit number you can write in base 4. And you look at part B, base 8, the largest digit also should be 1 less than the base, and it's 7, and it being a 4-digit number also consists of 4 7s. Base 2 consists of 4 1s. Base 5 consists of 4 4s. Okay, so for a number in base 10, the numbers that we use to count when we are doing all sorts of things, let's say we have 1278 base 10. You're going to realize that this 1 falls under thousands, this 2 under hundreds, this 7 under tens, and this 8 under units. So in other words, those are the place values of those particular figures or particular digits. So I'm just going to expand this number the way you would expand it. This one representing thousands, you would multiply it by 1000. The 2 representing hundreds, you would multiply it by 100. The 7 representing tens, you would multiply it by 10. And the 8 representing units, you would multiply it by 1. You would multiply it by 1. So in other words, we are saying this is 1 times 10 to the power 3 plus 2 times 10 to the power 2 plus 7 times 10 to the power 1 plus 8 times 10 to the power 0, which is equal to 1. So if this is the way that you use when you are expanding a number in base 10, this is the same way you use when you're converting other bases to base 10. You have to expand it like you're expanding a number in base 10. So here we've got a number that says 1278 base 9, and you've been asked to convert it to base 10. So this one representing thousands, you would multiply it by 9 to the power 3. That's 1 times 9 to the power 3. So in place of all the tens that we had, you are now going to put 9s. So this one, if you hold or if you cover or remove 1, you're going to remain with 3. So if you remain with 3, we are saying to the power 3, and 2 times 9, and if you close 1 and 2, you're going to remain with 2, and you're going to say to the power 2. And if you close 1, 2 and 7, you're going to remain with only one digit, which means it's now 9 to the power 1. And if you close the whole number, you're going to remain with 0. So you're going to multiply it by 9 to the power 0. So 1 times 9 to the power 3, you get 729. 2 times 81, you get 162. 7 times 9, you get 63. And 8 times 1, you get 8. So you're going to add 729, 162, and 71, which comes from adding these two, 63 and 8. And if you add here, you're going to get your answer is 12. So you're going to say 2 carry 1, and if you add 2 plus 6, you get 8, plus 7, you get 15, plus 1, you get 16. So you write 6 and carry 1, and then you add 7 plus 1, you get 9, and your answer becomes 962 base 10. So this value in base 9 is equal to this value in base 10. So let's try another number. Here we've got 652 to base 7. So you're going to say 6 times 7 to the power 2. Because if you close this 6, you remain with 2. So this is the power 2. And if you close 6 and 5, you're going to remain with only 1, and you're going to say to the power 1. And if you close the whole number, 652, you close the whole number, you're going to remain with 0, and that's how you get 7 to the power 0. So now this is 6 times 49 from 7 squared. 5 times 7, you get 35, and 2 times 1, you get 2. And if you multiply 6 and 49, you get 294. So you're going to say that 294 plus 35 plus 2, and 35 plus 2, you get 37. If you add here, you get your answer is 331. So 652 base 7 is equal to 331 base 10. So the last example we're going to look at is 1, 1, 1, 1 base 2. Convert it to base 10. So you're going to say 1 times 2 to the power 3, which is this one. And then you look at this one, you say 1 times 2 to the power 2. And then you look at this one, you say 1 times 2 to the power 1. And you look at the last one, you say 1 times 2 to the power 0, which is the units. And here it's 1 times 8, here 1 times 4, and here 1 times 2, and here 1 times 1. you get 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1, which is equal to 15. So for today, I just want you to go through this video, and I want you to convert a number, to convert other bases to base 10. I'm going to give you an exercise, and you can go through it, and we see where we are before we move on. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next lesson.